We should all be concerned about the increase of vape using by young children, and so it's really important that the bill is going to ban the sale of vapes to under 18s, but it's also going to close the loopholes for under 16s, because we know that vapes are being marketed and certainly being given for free, and that's the issue we've got to address. Now, my concern is, with OHID disbanded, is the public health messaging. Parents and families are really concerned that some of their children are going through a number of these vapes per day, per week. They don't know what is a safe amount. And with the growing illicit vape market, how would parents know what's illicit? What the MHRA has been notified as being, compliant, for example. Where is the public health messaging to support schools? We heard some really good evidence yesterday from the union. That's my concern, is where can people access this support and information? Because we already have a generation of kids addicted to vapes that are marketed at 0% nicotine, and we know there is nicotine contained in it. What would you say to that?
Frank?
There is some messaging going on, through the various governments. In Wales, we have a no ifs, no buts programme which tries to work at both individual level to alert people to the dangers, as we've just been discussing, but also the wider societal dangers around the links between illicit tobacco and illicit vaping and organised crime. And so bringing that awareness to the population, I think, is really quite important for those two reasons. So we work with trading standards, for example, to try to tackle the issue around illicit tobacco and vaping, and it's important we continue that. My understanding is that wherever we've been successful in reducing demand, which this bill, of course, is intended to do, then the illicit supply also decreases. So we would expect that to be a consequence of this bill as well.
Yeah, can I just reinforce that point? One of the many talking points of the cigarette industry is, well, any kind of downward pressure on cigarettes will lead to an increase in the illicit market. All the evidence is the reverse happens. When you bring in reduced demand, the illicit market decreases.